Hello to my viewers. My topic today is about exponential equations. This topic is under college algebra or students who are majoring in mathematics and grade 9 students. So I have here number 1, 81 raised to the power of r minus 1/4 is equals to 1 over 9 raised to the negative 5. So in this case, we need to solve the value of r. But first thing to do is we need the base, the same. So in this case, I need to make this one as 3 raised to the power of 4. Because 3 raised to the power of 4, meaning you have to multiply 4 times itself. So we know that this is 81. Okay? And then I need to copy the exponent. So this will be r minus 1 over 4. And then this will be also by using our exponent, law of exponent, so this will be 9 raised to positive 5. And then simplify this one to make it the same base. So this will be 3 raised to the 4 times r minus 1 over 4 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2 times 5. So this will be the same base. Okay, the same base, it will be crossed out. So I have now 4 times r minus 1 over 4 is equals to 10. So solving for r. So I can say r minus 1 over 4 is equal to, need to divide this one by 4, both sides. So this will be crossed out. So I have now 4 over 10. 10 over 4, sorry. And then reduce 1 over 4. 10 divide by 2. So this will be 5 over 2. And then r is equal to 5 over 2. Transpose negative 1/4 to the right. This will be plus 1 over 4. Then find the LCD between 2 and 4. So this will be 4. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 5 is 10. Then plus 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 1 is 1. So I have here 11 over 4. So this is the value of r. Okay? But we need to check this one if r will satisfy the given equation. So let us substitute. So 81, we check. Replace r, the given. So this will be 81. This will be, r is 11 over 4. By the way, we have to make the same base. Sorry. This will be 3. Then this will be 4 times r minus 1 over 4. And then this will be by using our laws of exponents. So this will be 9 raised to 5. So this will be 3, 4, r minus 1 over 4 is equals to 3 raised to 2 times 5. So the same. So this will be 4 r, substitute r. So this will be 11 over 4. Then minus 1/4 equals 10. So this will be 4. This is 4 because similar fraction. So this will be 11 minus 1. Okay, 11 minus 1. And then this will be equal to 10. So this will be crossed out. So 11 minus 1 equals 10. So 11 minus 1 equals 10. So 10 is equals to 10. So therefore, the value